Hi, I'm PNC Joe, and I specialize in commercial insurance. In today's digital age, small businesses face an ever-growing threat of cyber attacks, which can jeopardize sensitive data and cripple operations. Cyber liability insurance has become crucial for protecting against these risks, yet navigating its complexities poses a challenge for many business owners. Understanding the intricate layers of cybersecurity threats and coverage options is essential to safeguarding your business in an increasingly connected world. Keep watching because in this video we will discuss these important topics. What is cyber liability insurance? Why do businesses need cyber liability insurance? What is data breach response? What is network security liability? How does business interruption coverage work? Understanding first-party versus third-party coverage. What are exclusions in cyber policies? How are cyber extortion and ransomware attacks covered? And a bonus topic at the end. Let's go through these points one at a time. Cyber liability insurance is a type of insurance that helps protect businesses from internet-based risks. These risks include things like data breaches, where someone might steal private information stored on a computer. Imagine if someone broke into a computer system and took personal details like names, addresses, or credit card numbers. Cyber liability insurance can help cover the costs of dealing with these kinds of problems, subject to the terms and conditions of the policy. Businesses need cyber liability insurance because almost every business today uses computers and the internet to store and share information. This makes them targets for cybercrimes like hacking or phishing. For example, if a store keeps customer credit card information on file, a hacker could steal that information and use it to make unauthorized purchases. Cyber liability insurance helps businesses pay for things like notifying customers about the breach, legal fees, and sometimes even identity protection services for those affected, depending on the policy coverage. Data breach response is one of the coverages included in cyber liability insurance. It helps a business respond quickly when data is stolen or compromised. For example, if a company discovers that someone has hacked into their database and taken customer information, this coverage would assist them in notifying the affected customers, hiring experts to fix the problem, and covering any legal costs that might arise from the breach, subject to policy terms. Network security liability is another important part of cyber liability insurance. It covers legal expenses if a business is sued because someone claims that the business did not protect its network properly. For instance, if a virus spreads from a company's computer system to its client systems, causing them harm, this coverage can help pay for the legal costs if those clients decide to sue the company, depending on the policy terms. Business interruption coverage helps a business if its operations are halted due to a cyber incident. Imagine if a company's website goes down for several days because of a cyber attack, causing them to lose sales. This part of the insurance can help cover the lost income during that time. It's like a safety net that helps keep the business stable while they fix the problem, subject to the policy's terms and conditions. First-party coverage helps the business itself, like paying for a damaged computer system or lost income. Third-party coverage helps if someone else, like a customer, sues the business because of a cyber incident. For instance, if a company loses its own data due to a cyber attack, first-party coverage would help. But if a customer's data is stolen and they sue the company, third-party coverage would help with legal costs, subject to the policy terms. Exclusions are things that the insurance policy does not cover. For example, if an employee accidentally leaks information because they didn't follow company procedures, the insurance might not cover that. It's important for businesses to understand these exclusions so they know what situations might not be covered and take steps to prevent them. Cyber extortion is when someone threatens to harm a business's computer system unless they are paid money. Ransomware is a type of cyber extortion where a hacker locks a business's files and demands payment to unlock them. Cyber liability insurance can help pay for the costs of dealing with these threats, such as negotiating with the attacker or paying the ransom if it's the best option, subject to the policy terms and conditions. Filing a claim means asking the insurance company to pay for a loss covered by the policy. If a business experiences a cyber incident, it should notify its insurance company right away. The insurance company will then investigate the claim to see if it falls under the policy coverage. It's important for businesses to keep detailed records of the incident and any costs they incur to help with the claim process. Cyber threats are always changing as hackers find new ways to attack. Cyber liability insurance policies are also evolving to cover new types of threats. Businesses should regularly review their policies with their insurance providers to ensure they have the most up-to-date coverage. This can include adding new types of coverage or increasing policy limits to better protect against the latest cyber threats, subject to the policy terms. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the essential components of cyber liability insurance. By gaining a deeper understanding of the risks and insurance options available, you are taking a proactive step towards securing your business against the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. Remember, being informed and prepared today can safeguard your business's future. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.